Hello dear students. In the previous video, in the previous topic, we were discussing the tenses, and I discussed with you the first tense, present tense. Now in the same topic, today let's talk about past tense. Okay, past tense. You all know the basic things about past tense. Now the first part, the simple past or past indefinite tense. I ate, he ate or we ate. हमने खाया, उसने खाया, मैंने खाया in Hindi. Now if you look at the structure, the sentence structure, it is first subject, then verb comes in second form. The main thing to remember in this tense, simple past, is second form of the verb. Ate, eat, ate, eaten. So ate is second form. So this structure is followed here. Subject plus verb, second form, plus object and other words. If you make negative sentence, you use did in this simple past tense, like I did not eat, he did not eat, or we did not eat. Now 2 points here to remember in this simple past tense, making negative or interrogative. 2 things you must remember. First is did comes in past tense for both singular and plural subject. Like in present tense, I told you it is do or does, do for plural, does for singular, but here we don't have this difference here. For both singular and plural, both the subjects, we use did, whether I did or he did or we did, all same. Second thing, once you have used the word did, which is already the past tense of do, the second form of do, then the main verb will come in the first form. Like we cannot say I did not eat, it is wrong. The correct sentence will be I did not eat, because did is already past tense, so you don't need any other verb in past tense. So eat will remain in first form, it will not come in second form. I did not eat or he did not eat. Remember, you have used did, so other verb eat will remain same, it will not change, it will not be used in second form with the word did. The second is past continuous. It's very easy. Sentences are I was eating, he was eating, or we were eating. Like in present, is, are were the helping verbs. Here in past, in place of is, are, you have was and were. Again, was for singular subjects and were for plural subjects. I was eating, he was eating, we were eating. So continuous as it is, so it will take verb in ing form. The sentence structure will be subject plus was or were plus verb ing form. That will be the sentence structure. If you make negative, I was not eating, we were not eating, was or were, then comes not. It is past continuous. Then past perfect tense. Remember, we read the helping verbs has and have in present tense. Now here again, in place of both has or have, which was different for singular or plural, it was has for singular and have for plural in present tense, in present perfect tense, but again here is no difference of singular and plural. The past form of both has and have is had, so we will use had here. And I told you with perfect tense, we always use third form of the verb. So I had eaten, or he had eaten, or we had eaten. Subject plus had plus verb, third form. Okay, no difference of singular or plural here. For both we use had in past perfect tense. And similarly, if you make a negative sentence, not comes after the helping verb had. I had not eaten, we had not eaten, he had not eaten. And at last, past perfect continuous. As I told you, perfect continuous is the combination of perfect and continuous, both the tenses. So helping verb has, have. Now in past tense, had will come from the perfect part, and from continuous the verb ing form. And remember, I told you to combine these two helping verbs and verbs of perfect and present, we use the another helping verb been. So it would be I had been eating, he had been eating, or we had been eating. Had, remember, had for both the subject, singular or plural, no difference, and it is perfect continuous also. So verb in ing form, eating, and for combining this had and verb ing form, been is used in between. And if you make negative sentence, it will come between had and been. I had not been eating, we had not been eating, or he had not been eating. Okay, so this is past perfect tense. So this was past tense. Again, I'll be sending some questions for practice with this video. Do those questions and note down these. I want you to note these sentence structure also tense wise in your grammar notebook. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.